Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Alma Lasso 28 and today is Saturday. Day off. Everybody's out from work. Everybody's happy. It's a nice weekend and we have a nice weather here in Pennsylvania. Okay. Today, I'm gonna show it to you all the empty clamshells that I use for 1 month, okay? So maybe you're wondering what are the waxes or the scents that I've been warming up. So today, I'll show it to you, not only the waxes, okay? All the cleaning products. So here we go. And of course, hold on. And all my bricks, I'll show it to you also. What are the bricks that I've been using for the whole month? Here we go. Okay. So as much as possible, I want the bricks of Scentsy to use it. Okay, especially if it is my favorite scents. But unfortunately, there's only selected scents that Scentsy can offer it. And you can only avail it if you are a Scentsy Club member. So since I've been a consultant of Scentsy for what about 8 months now? So September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, yeah. 8 months, okay? So I only have 2, 4, 6, 8 bricks that I collected, okay? And I want to show it to you. And until now, so some of these bricks are my favorite, okay? You can figure out it's almost empty, okay? So I'll show it to you one by one. And here we go. And look at the back. So these scents, okay, all of the warm hugs. So I like this kind of fragrance because it says here is aromatic wax. So usually I'm using this one if I want it, if I'm not feel better, or if it's too cold inside the house, then definitely I'm gonna warm this up so that my ambience is so cool and refreshing. But I have 2 of this one. Trust me, it smells so good. Okay, here we go. And then the next one, the salted caramel toffee. Okay, you guys know that caramel is my favorite toffee, and all the bakery sides of the Scentsy's fragrance are my favorite. Okay, so this one, okay, as you can see at the back, it's almost done. And as what I've said to you guys, this is my favorite. So every time it's like, also like I want this kind of vanilla, that it's like I want the baking side of the Scentsy. So this is what I'm using and getting and warming it up. And for me, it make me starve, okay? Because in my personal opinion, pastries, cakes, candies, and chocolates are my favorite. Okay, that's why I chose this one last Christmas collection, and I knew it that it's gonna be my favorite. Okay, here we go. It's amazing, amazing, amazing scent. And the next one is the marshmallow mint cocoa. Okay, so this one a little minty because, you know, if it is winter time and Christmas time, everybody likes hot cocoa. So I used this one last month because every night we are still having a cold weather. So look at this one, almost half of it. I'm gonna use this one on the next winter season. Okay, so I have no complaint or I have no issue regarding the marshmallow mint cocoa. I'm not the kind of the mint person, but I really appreciate this one during the winter time. And then the next one is the Clean Breeze. Okay, so Clean Breeze, this is like in the laundry side. So this kind of fragrance, the whole house feels so fresh, clean. Okay, oh, see, amazing. It's a laundry scent. So if I'm doing the laundry once in a while, sometimes I want the whole house feel so amazing. So I use this one, and you can figure out it's almost done also. All right, but I'm saving this one. So the next one, okay, guys, the red pear and pomegranate. Okay, so this set is still in the Scentsi's website. So I'm decided to put this scent to my club, so that I'm gonna get it every month, because as you can see, it's almost done. So once in a month, I like to use this kind of smell. As of today, okay, the whole house smells red pear and pomegranate, because we have a visitor or somebody, because someone will come over and fix our internet. So I put everything, all my warmers, this kind of scent. Okay, and this is really my favorite, the best ever, best ever. See, so this is top of my list. Okay, and then the next one, the Pretty in Plaid. As you can see, it's only a few I use it. I'm saving this one for Christmas Day. And this one was last year winter collection or Christmas collection. Okay, if you're gonna see, it's a little juicy, but it's okay, that's fine, that's nothing. And this is one of my top favorite of the Christmas collection. And I still remember what I said it regarding the fragrance of this one. I said it that smells like a perfume, that you can smell it inside Macy's department store. So my next one, here we go, the Crimson Berry Christmas. Okay, as you can see, I barely use it. It's not my favorite because of the cinnamon. Because I don't want cinnamon at all, because I have an allergy. At the same time, even my daughter doesn't like it. Even though I'm baking and there's the ingredients of cinnamon, I never use it. Maybe on Christmas Day, all right, in December, I'm gonna melt this everything. And so maybe some of the customer love the scents because of the cinnamon itself. So let us see what's gonna happen. I'll let you know, but not now yet. Let's wait until November. All right, there we go. So I'm done with my bricks, and as what I've said, that's my collection. All right, I have 8 bricks. And now let's go to my empty bottles, okay, for my cleaning. Okay, so first is a counter cleaner, which is the Squeeze the Day. This is amazing product of Scentsy. All right, so every time I'm using this one, I feel comfortable, because my nose is not irritating every time I'm using this one in my kitchen. Okay, and the next one, of course, my favorite, the dish soap. This is a Fiesta line. So this scent, if I'm gonna use it, all right, in my dishes, oh my god, it's amazing. It's really so clean, smells so good. It's like I feel comfortable also. Okay, it's not hurting my skin, also not too dry. It's a little bit, this one moisturize my skin also, especially my hand. Okay, so I don't have any worries it's gonna be super dry, and then all of a sudden you're gonna see your skin's gonna bleed. This one is perfect for my skin. Okay, and then the next one, all right, which is the bathroom cleaner. If you still remember, this is my second bottle already, because lately I've been cleaning my bathroom, and this is the best cleaner that I ever have. Okay, and secondly, it never irritate my nose. Okay, every time I'm using the Clorox or the other bathroom cleaner, oh my god, definitely I'm gonna sneeze. This one is amazing also. Okay, I never have a worry once again, and my skin's gonna be super dry. Okay, I remember as what I have this, the bathroom cleaner, when I use it, all the molds, the yellow thing in the tub, it came off everything. Just one spray, use the brush, and that's it. It came off. It's really clean. So now I'm enjoying my tub now, alright, using the Sensi soap, which is all the way up there. I still have 4. So I hope Sensi will bring back this bath bomb, alright. So this one, I just bought it from one of our consultant, okay. I just want to try it because when I came in as a consultant, they don't have it, this one anymore. They're not making it. So I use this one. Oh my god, it's moisturized my skin also. It's amazing. And likewise, that Sensi soap, oh my god, it's amazing. Alright, so as what I've said to you guys, I have a dry skin. So I'm so picky and choosing the right products that gonna moisturize my skin, so I don't have a problem with the Sensi. So now let's go to my empty clamshell bar, okay? So the first one, this is the bring back my bar, which is a pumpkin marshmallow. All right, I don't like pumpkin, but when I smell this one, is amazing because it blends with the marshmallow. And as far as I remember, I really enjoy it that night. Okay, and oh my god, it's amazing, love it. So the next one, Be Fabulous, okay. As you can read, this is one of scent of the month, which is last year. I'm really lucky that I have this one because one of the consultant gave it this one to me, and I witnessed this scent is amazing and this scent is fabulous. All right, so I cannot tell it to you what's the description or what's the ingredients of it. As what I've said, it's not in the website anymore. Okay, so the next one, this is the banana berry. Oh my god, the combination of banana and the berries, and then there's vanilla itself. Oh my god, it's amazing smells. And this is one of their Easter collection. So the next one, Lights Out, okay. On this collection, as far as I remember, they launched it early this year, but unfortunately I didn't buy anything on that collection. All right, so this is the only thing I had, okay. And but I don't like it. I don't like the smell. It's not my favorite, and I remove it from my Sensi Club. Okay, it's really light scent, which only I smell only one night and that's it. Okay, the next one, here we go. It's Jumping Jelly Beans, which unfortunately I didn't put in my Sensi Club, and it's too late. I realized it's amazing scent also because it's so sweet. It smells jelly bean, everybody's favorite, my Michelle and my husband also's favorite, but I'm just gonna wait next year. This is one of the Easter collection. And then the next one, it's a farmer's market. The smell is like, I have no issue at all. I like it. It's a little bit sweet with a little bit fruity. I don't know the exact description. They don't have it anymore from their website, okay? So it's like one of the Sensi consultant just gave it this one to me, and it's too late already to order. But the only thing I'm gonna tell it to you, when I warm it up, smells amazing, okay? And then the next one, this is one of the, as far as I know, it's the autumn collection. All right, and do I like it? It's not my favorite, okay, because once again there's a cinnamon. So I just warmed this up last 2 nights ago. All right, everybody's love it, okay. And then even the Sensi pack, okay, I'm using it until now in my car. It's amazing smell. One of my top list summer collection fragrance. I love it. The combination of my mango and then the mandarin, a little fruity and sweet. Amazing. Okay. my favorite, and definitely I'll put in my Sensi Club. And then the next one, if you still remember this one, okay, the Chamomile Daisy. Oh, I really love this one fragrance, but it's too late for me already that I didn't put in my Sensi Club. So I guess I'm gonna wait until next year, alright, for this fragrance. And you never know, maybe they're gonna bring it back again. Okay, and then the next one, here we go, one of the Disney collection, which is the Little Mermaid. All right, this one is one of my favorite fragrance also. So the description of Sensi for this one is enchanting strawberry, raspberry, lime, and subtle waves of sea mist. All right, so that's the reason why it's my favorite, because the strawberry and the raspberry and the lime combination. Amazing smell. I love it. Alright, and then definitely it will be in my Sensi Club. Okay, and then the next one. Alright, this is the Faithful Friends collection. Okay, this is one of my favorite also, okay, and definitely it will go. So as for Sensi, this is the combination of the berries and succulent pear mixed with the freesia blossom, and it's sweet. Okay, so that's the reason why I love it. It's amazing. Okay, all right, and that's it, guys. That's everything. That's for the whole month of May. So just watch out for next month. I hope you love my video and you got some idea about my empty clamshells, empty bricks, empty bottles of the household lines of Sensi. And please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click the bell notification, and share to everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow again for my Sensi May haul, okay? And watch out for that one. I have a lot of things to show it to you that you never imagined that's the Sensi products. All right? Okay, guys. Mwah! I love you. Take care. Stay positive, and life is short. So why don't you show the love and care to your family, especially to your parents, okay? And God bless you guys. I love you. Mwah.